Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to get values and keys from an object in the JavaScript. So we are having two methods like object.values and object.keys. So by using these two methods we will extract the keys and values from the object. So first of all let's create an object. So let's create country, okay? Country is an object, okay? Let's create it. So country, let me change to countries. India, okay? So India is having population of say 1.4 million. Okay, and China having population of 1.4 million. As an example, done and complete. So just we have created an object which is named as countries. So in this object we are having keys. So we are having keys as India and China. India and China is our keys, okay, and these populations are our values. Okay. So this is object. So this object is in keys and values pair. Okay. So we need to extract. So now guys, we will gonna extract the values from the object. Okay. So how we're gonna do? We'll use object.values method. Okay. So let's create a variable which will give us the values from the countries object. Okay. So for that, let's try to create object.values. Then inside the values method, we will mention argument as our object. Okay. So this will give us the values for the object. Okay, so countries is our object and we have these values from the object. Okay, so these are the values from countries object. So using this object dot values method, we can get the values of the object. So now let's get object dot keys. Okay, so keys for the objects. Okay, so let's create a variable keys. Okay, get keys. Again object dot keys. Inside argument we will mention our object. Okay, so done. And now let's see countries. Okay, so now let's see get keys. So you can see that we are getting the keys. So India and China are the keys and 1.4 million are the values of the keys. Okay, inside the countries object. So guys, in this way we can get keys and values pair from the objects. Okay, so guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.